So I went offshore this past weekend. Lost a lot of hookups and I wanted to see why. So stay tuned. Alright. Did I just lose it? Let go! Stick your head stick! So how strong was he? Broke off my treble hook. Shot? Oh, damn it. So going back to the first part of my video, trolling along, lost a lot of fish already, and all of a sudden I get another hit. Let's see what happens. If you look closely, you actually see a fish fly in the midair. Let's see that again. Pretty cool, huh? I give it an 8.5 out of 10.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.